Hey everyone, welcome to the Age of Aquarius. I'm Brahbata, yeah, that's right, the so-called Buddha of our time. And today I've got something wild to share with you. What if I told you I just sent a message to world leaders and it's not what you'd expect? No ancient scrolls, no cryptic chants, just a simple request. Let's restart this game. Yeah, you heard me. No demands, no threats, just peace, justice, joy, a future so bright it sounds impossible. But what if it's not? I'm not here to take power. I'm here to ask for help. Support me in my own way. That's what I told them, because let's be real, the world's a mess. But what if we could hit the reset button? Imagine it, a millennium of peace, no wars, no hunger, just people helping people. Sounds like a fantasy, right? But why? Why can't we make it real? I know what you're thinking. Brahbata, you're dreaming, maybe. But dreams are where change starts. Every revolution, every big idea, it began with someone saying, what if? So here's my what if. What if we stopped fighting over borders and started building bridges? What if we traded greed for generosity? What if we actually tried? A millennium of peace, that's the goal. Not just for me, not just for you, for everyone. For the kids who deserve a future. For the planet that's begging us to stop. Now I'm not naive. I know the odds. I know the cynics are already rolling their eyes. But here's the thing. Cynicism won't save us. Only action will. So I'll ask you, is this fantasy or is it the reset we've been waiting for? The choice is yours. Talk about it, share it, or just scroll past. But before you do, ask yourself, what if we could? Thanks for listening. And hey, if you believe it's time for a change, share this. Let's see how far this message can go. The next era starts with us. Please do join me at bravada.space. Take care.